नमस्कार, मैं आपका साथी लक्ष्मीकांत पंडित। और दोस्तों, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कोरोना लॉकडाउन के दौरान इंदौर प्रेस क्लब ने जो काम किया अपने सदस्यों के लिए, उसके बारे में हमसे चर्चा कर रहे हैं। और इंदौर प्रेस क्लब के पत्रकार साथियों ने न केवल शासन प्रशासन का सहयोग करा, अपितु उस समय अपनी रिपोर्टिंग करी जब शहर में खतरा मंडरा रहा था। चलिए हम आपको बताते हैं कि इंदौर प्रेस क्लब के उस समय के कार्यों के बारे में वरिष्ठ पत्रकार क्या कहते हैं। तो हमारे साथ मौजूद है इंदौर के वरिष्ठ पत्रकार आदित्य सिंह परमार। हम जानते हैं उनसे उनकी क्या राय है इस बारे में।
As always, the Indore Press Club has been doing a commendable job. Apart from its duties regarding the press, it has also been carrying out its social duties and responsibilities towards the citizens as well as members of the Indore Press Club. During this time of crisis of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indore Press Club has supported people, especially those associated with this organization, the journalists and other people from the media industry have been given resources and other aid during this time of crisis, and I am really glad that I am a part of such a worthy organization as the Indore Press Club. This press club is quite old and has a very good name in the country, and I am proud to be a part of it. Thank you.
अब मौजूद है हमारे साथ में डॉक्टर दिलीप एन पंडित, जो कि अल्मा टाइम्स के संपादक है। हम जानते हैं उनसे कि इस बारे में उनकी क्या राय है।
Hello friends, it's great opportunity to interact with you itself, and I'd like to express few words for the great institution. Indore Press Club has been known for its dignity, dedication, decency and decorum, for its journalistic values across the world, and it's really great happening to interact for the same institution right now. As far as the institute is concerned here, I'd like to share a few words about it during the pandemic crisis of coronavirus. Uh, in the very starting, the Press Club of Indore had shown very humanitarian services, as well as uh, doing all sort of things that is needed for the uh, community, as well as friends and the comrades and members of the press club. The new activity committee had shown dedication for humanitarian services and humanity cause under the guidance of President Shri Arvind Tiwari ji, General Secretary Shri Hemant Sharma ji, and Vice President Shri Kadam ji. They are doing very nice work, and still they were doing the same cause for promoting the humanity services. I am very proud of it, being a member of Indore Press Club, and I wish all the best for this club to come on and do the nice work for the community as well as people. In case of humanity cause, Indore Press Club supported more than 1,400 families in pandemic crisis for supporting the essential commodities and support of every kind, from emotional to humanitarian causes. I suppose that this is the great work for the institution right now.
तो दोस्तों, आपके साथ मौजूद है राजेश जौहरी जी, हमारे साथ में मौजूद है, और हम उनसे बातचीत शुरू करते हैं। सर, कोरोना काल में जो इंदौर प्रेस क्लब ने काम करे हैं, उनको बारे में आपकी हम राय जानना चाह रहे हैं।
For the first time in the history of our country and even the whole world, we have experienced a very different type of situation in which every organization, irrespective of its capacity, has contributed for the benefit of mankind. And as we know, in Indore, contamination and infection was rate of infection was very high. So it was the need of the time that more and more people and more organizations should come forward to see the problems of people and also administration, because administration was also in need of our support, and being journalists, members of Indore Press Club helped the administration in a very positive manner, because they projected only those things which were motivating in nature and which were positive aspects of the COVID-19 issue. In this respect, what I have seen is that General Secretary of Indore Press Club, Mr. Deepak Kardam, and his team, including Secretary Ankur Jaiswal, including Secretary Abhishek Mishra, and Executive Committee member Ankur Jaiswal. It was a teamwork of all these three members that they did everything for the cause, not only publishing news articles about this, but also contributing physically, mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. They arranged food material, food packets for the people, for poor people. They arranged medicines, and even they arranged psychological uplift or boost of people who were suffering from COVID-19 or were relatives of the patients of COVID-19. I, being a journalist, hail such moves and such acts of the journalist like Mr. Deepak Kardam, and he has done really an exemplary work.
अब हमारे साथ मौजूद है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में पदार्पण करने वाली पूनम शर्मा। देखिए उनकी क्या राय है इस बारे में।
The new executive of Indore Press Club did remarkable work during Corona lockdown. Women executive members Priyanka Pandey, Karishma Kotwal been also very active under the direction of their seniors. Sanjay Tripathi, Praveen Barnale, Abhay Tiwari, Vipin Nema, Pradeep Joshi were the names who helped the journalist personnel at a single call, and they played humanity along with the journalism religion. In those days when everyone stayed at home, Vice President Deepak Kardam left no stone unturned in caring for this family of more than 1400 members under the guidance of Chairman Arvind Tiwari. This service of Indore Press Club will always be remembered.